Hi there, Nick with the AZInsight team. In this video, we will be looking at how to set a historical data source on AZInsight. We will also look where the historical data source data shows up and what it's used for. So let's just get started. When you first create an account on AZInsight and log in, you'll see a grayed out area that says no historical data source set. This is where you can either click the blue button or click on the gear settings icon and then click on view settings. For this example, I'm going to click on the blue click to set button. In both cases, it will take you to the view settings screen. Here, locate the section that says historical data sources. Then click the drop down and select the historical data source and then click Save. To see the historical data, click on Calculator, and now you'll notice there is a section that says Historical Sales Data. The historical data source powers the historical sales data table. Here you will get historical data for the sales rank, sales rank drops, buy box, Amazon price, new offer count, new price, third-party FBM, third-party FBA, out-of-stock Amazon percentage, out-of-stock third-party percentage, used price, used offer count. It is broken down by the current, 30-day average, 90-day average, 100-day average, and the lowest. If there's no data under the column that you're looking at, that means that the historical data source did not have any data returned for this ASIN. And that about covers it for this video. If you have any questions, reach out to a customer champion at support.azinsight.com.